Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about autoimmune arthritis, as today is the autoimmune arthritis day. So the purpose of this video is to support and raise awareness about this autoimmune arthritis. Autoimmune arthritis refers to a group of chronic inflammatory joint diseases that result from an overreactive immune system attacking the joints. We can see it mistakenly attack the joints, who naturally attack the joints. The immune system produces antibodies that attach to the lining of the joints, which causes pain. It causes inflammation or even eventual joint damage. We have several types of those autoimmune arthritis, but the most common types of those arthritis is the rheumatoid arthritis, also known as the RA, and the psoriatic arthritis, known as the PSA, and the ankylosing spondylitis, that is the AS. Now let's start with the first one, that is the rheumatoid arthritis. It is the most common form of the autoimmune arthritis, and it's primarily affect the small joints of the hands or the wrists or the toes, that is the feet, but can also involve other joints. It causes inflammation of the synovium, that is the lining of the joints. We have several symptoms experienced by the individuals affected by this autoimmune arthritis, like pain in the joints, swelling, stiffness, fatigue, and difficulty with mobility, and such kind of pains, leading to joint pain, stiffness, swelling, and eventually joint deformities. And for the second type of the autoimmune arthritis, that is the psoriatic arthritis, also known as the PSA. This PSA, that is the psoriatic arthritis, typically involves the joints of the fingers, joint of the toes. It causes pain. It also causes swelling and stiffness of that specific joints. It can also affect larger joints, unlike the previous one, and it can also affect the spine. And for the last one, that is the ankylosing spondylitis, it is also a type of an autoimmune arthritis. It is associated with the psoriasis, which is a chronic skin condition. It affects the joints and often causes inflammation of the skin, nails, and other organs. It also affects the spine and the sacroiliac joints, causing inflammation, stiffness. It can also lead to fusion of the vertebra, resulting in a rigid spine and reduce the availability of the mobility. This ES, that is the ankylosing spondylitis, may also affect other joints, such as the hips, the shoulders, or the knees joints. This is also being used to 6 months for research to develop therapies and ultimately find a cure for this autoimmune arthritis. As I previously said, that today is autoimmune arthritis day, so it's an annual observance held to raise the awareness about autoimmune forms of arthritis and provide support for individuals living with these conditions, that is the autoimmune arthritis conditions. And this day is also being used to educate the public about the condition, their symptoms, diagnosis, and available treatment, so that they can share their experience, seek support, and promote advocacy. We have some kind of treatment for this autoimmune arthritis, but the main goal of this day is to provide a platform for individuals living with this autoimmune arthritis. Various activities took place on this day, such as awareness campaigns, fundraisers, educational events, support group meetings, and online discussions. And actually, this treatment focuses on managing symptoms, reducing inflammation, and preventing joint damage. And it typically involves combination of medications such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and these drugs also known as the NSAIDs. Also, disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, that is the DMARDs, can also be used, or any biological agents that can cure that condition or that can control that condition, and some kind of physical therapies, lifestyle modifications, the way we live can have effect on that autoimmune arthritis. Finally, I'm Nafisa Umar, an MPH student from GD University. As a public health student, I would like to advise you that if you are or you know someone who is affected by this autoimmune arthritis, this autoimmune arthritis is an opportunity for that person to get involved or learn more about these conditions and connect with others who share similar experience. Thank you all.